Today's topic for discussion is vitamin B2. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemistry, absorption, function, deficiency, and the sources of vitamin B2. So, vitamin B2 is also known as riboflavin. This is the structure of riboflavin, which contain a heterocyclic isoalloxazine ring. This is heterocyclic isoalloxazine ring with a ribitol. Ribitol is a sugar alcohol. This is the ribitol, and ribitol is a sugar alcohol. Vitamin B2 is very sensitive to light and alkali, but stable to heat and acidic medium. Coming to the absorption and transport, vitamin B2 or the riboflavin is absorbed in a small intestine and distributed to all tissues by circulation. Now coming to the functions of vitamin B2. The active form of riboflavin are FMN and FAD, and both of these FMN and FAD are act as prosthetic groups of several enzymes. FMN is flavin mononucleotide and FAD is flavin adenine dinucleotide, and both of these act as a carriers of hydrogen atoms in a redox reaction. Now coming to the deficiency of riboflavin. In humans, riboflavin deficiency causes oral, facial, ocular lesions. The first symptom is angular stomatitis, which causes lesions of mouth, particularly at the corners of the mouth. The second is ciliosis, in which there is a red, swollen and cracked lips. The third is vascularization of cornea and conjunctiva and blood clot eyes. And the fourth is glossitis, that is inflamed magenta colored tongue. So all these are the symptoms of riboflavin deficiency. Now coming to the sources. Whole grains, legumes, pulses, green leafy vegetables, yeast, eggs, milk and meat are the good sources. Root vegetables and fruits are the fair sources. So this is all about vitamin B2. If you like this lecture, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time.